Make a chamo say. I sense Julie Juu me tressing me tissing chasinti. Minya whom in or no so tressing ya or tissing chasia, no matter. Say, many back, I'm a K abebres. Me, I'm a body namano. Na me, my mom was handy at tasso. Red carpet na ya shasia, and Chebia, ya the movie no so quacotasso. Mammy, ya ma baba Julie Juu Tv so.
Medasipe.
Na akwanso yenim wo koma santi kroma say asam na ebebisa yenim pa so yesan bisa wo enti yenim pa yesan bisa wo say ene ede na ekoso ene de chika bibi kire me
say okay young fan say the Storm film directed by Mr. Benowusu a movie ye trying in Ghana and a wonderful cast a wonderful cast. Well, I'm actually like, okay, come run it there. Okay, a wonderful film I try, yeah. And yeah, premiere at Ghana a few weeks ago, and Nyamia Domiti. Yet me about London, say London, UK, director Ben no Hannah War. Okay. And most people know say me so UK, so yeah, that's like where Hannah me so meaning. Oh, yes, my second home and say Nyamia Domiti Abana say UK London for a month for Bibria say your baba premiere no. Okay. Any after party you'll be dancing a bit later on. So yes, so intina you have say.
Okay, and then now ususu say a man for expect ene. Nkofo abaro. Then now ususu so more expecting.
So action, the film is action, but I also think the film it kind of has a deeper message. Obviously, it talks about corruption. It talks about some of the things that happens in governments. Okay. And obviously, we know there's an election year going on, and also the people holding governments accountable. Okay. Because so there's so much. The Ghana police force, the good, the bad, and all over is a good action thriller, I would say.
Not just a man, Empire Bedra.
You know it. Yes.
And yeah, pa. Inti then I will catch a man for say, yeah, next time no ye bibisa also be a bano beshebi.
Listen, I mean, okay, I think that Ghanaians are your diaspora, Ghana for your whether it's the UK, the US, wherever. I think so as you're trying to support it, our music, let's support our food, let's support our film, let's support, because bottom line is we export culture anywhere. Okay. Ghana for be brave or UK, Ghana for be brave or London. And we go to our restaurants, you share your film. Nina is all part of exporting your culture globally. So other people can also see like the wonderful culture that we have as Ghanaians. And I think in order for any industry, anything to grow, let's say supporting it, whether we're in Ghana, whether we're anywhere in the diaspora. So like I said, Ghana for a film or a musical concert or Nina, let's just try and support and just to let the industry grow in Ghana and also outside of Ghana.
Okay. Yeah, that was a pa. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a pa. In fact, baba be shebe na ya share. Sanya wo kind there. Not just say yeah, expecting more pa. Yeah. Yenina, Yeah, baba share. Yeah,
Oh, so I just want to say, Michi Obia Oshe Julie TV and Ghana phone Mo baby way. So just let's support Ghana film industry, Ghana films. Let's not talk bad about Ghana films. Let's support, okay? Not young koyenim. That's it, baby.
Menuanom ne adofo a mo hwe Julie Juu TV. Sabre ye da so a wo the storm movie premiere na se. Menua be ma ono na sini odi mu akotene pa ono ko twa sini free Ghana e de bre ye se enya bi hwe. Ono nie. Enti ye ne betwetwe nkomo kakra bi na afei. Yakwa ko hwe sini no. Papa ye mo akwa baba Julie Juu TV so. Me pese obo wudi child of hwe camera nim na emanfo show. Enti je microphone na bo wudi na fe ka sakakra child of na fe ye ko hwe sini.
Adofo a mo hwe me ye fra me Ben Owusu na movie no me ana me ye na me try na me directing movie no
Then na wo feel say emanfo expect e wo movie ni me ne.
I think say wo hwe movie na the obehu an say e dey na e koso Ghana, okay, and not even Ghana alone but the whole Africa. It's no movie no be ebe me wan hu enwoma bebre be bie wadum be bie wani am what enwoma bi ase e wo your mind bonu ya bibi man especially police, the government, the security agent. This movie will just enlighten you be bie wani.
Okay. Esan say ye kwa hwe movie ni nti me mpese e be kasa bebre achai because time was so was see right inside. Enti dia me nja wa haba me bi so was ba after here no he fa na obekwa premiere ni bi emu and I say be call TV station sama ye.
Oh, okay, no. After here, no, you request for Kenya for some person premiere or Kenya. But then, no, movie ni back on Netflix, but I think say call territory first. It is South America for requesting and North America for requesting. You know, baby, be could be a bit more adolfo, a more beate. It's more watch out. Why?
Some me catch them say movie way a international level. You try international level. Aye, me catch them. Some who baby a moving in them. Somebody I said, Papa, that's it.
Me was some back on the movie. There was so ya sitting up premiere me from my urban move.
Okay.
Person who thought that I was Ghana. We the young find you, but yes, so I saw person who thought that I was Ghana. Person who thought that I was Ghana. Who to me, they contacted my urban move. And they will do everything. Everything. I mean, when I say everything, it means everything. It's check out on my number. You're the better. You're the number. It's yo. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
And yeah, yenkona ne samra ne after party. So what I said. Okay, abusuafo. And yeah, mo besa ho ye biem. Ye kwa kohwe sini na ba. De bekoso bia, ye de bebrem.
Thank you.
Yeah, abusuafo. Julie Juu TV and mo guso a ehwe no. Menya mababa wa fefefefe bi wo me nkyai. Me pese onu amoni di nkyere mo. No nkyere ni pa wo ye na afa ye nto ankomo ne so. Mame, bo wo di nkyere do fo na afa ye nko. Like no.
Me pacho me din the Salma me actress e Ghana na me ka movie na ye premiere no Anaji the Stone eno ntina me wa ha
e de be na wo expect say enkofo be hu o sa movie no mene
me wa disua bebre wo movie nim esan say movie no storyline is about corruption, fighting corruption and a whole lot intino and the Ghana nie koso no ewo guarantee no diswa bebre wom you be to me cause ewo presidency ni mu abra president no kra onim say cause so sa nyoma ni nyina wom ubetumi hu how at least government and presidency no group of people no omo operate so yeah adisua bebre.
Okay, role be na o play ye kakra bi role be na o play ye kakra bi ma for la kakra.
Me play the role of a songstress. Me tunyum enyum tuni. Me sanye snitch. Emma some nkrophobia or film. Me told you how be.
Okay. no, that's no, put on your
Me pacho there be
no, out on you.
pacho I.
Okay, someone to you, be the minimum go. Now, because it's a number I don't know. I want to kasa. And nunti na ama men so maybe say beside questions, you know. And yet, none of the empire ebeja. Inti, and ne pa one. And then I expect a chair and propose obi a one mention and then no. Opese or no so baba next time. Pese o ka bibi cho bia and
Onipa biara went me ambambe hwe ne bia yesrem. Yesrem pa next time what to say ye bibia mesrem muntu anamu na mombra because Ghana film industry no se mo amboa enya ade a ebekọ so ena ye twa movie ena ye free ya bo ka free Ghana nyina ba ha se ba be show achemo mo hu donti na ye bo ha se enti se ye basa na se mo ampia amba na I say ya bem ye bu na mo ya bem bu nso how are you guys going to get entertained by Monkrofo entimpacho mumma ya bem bu mo te say ye bibia ya mombra na mombra be so ye mu na enye fefefe se de ya ne odini sika hye mu a oye ye no no so benye bi na dachi wasumi ayeden asan ye biom ama obia aba begine ni fefefe so eno pe na me woka.
okay. That's bebre. I mean you any adofo a mo hwe Julie Juu TV. Ye da so a e wo the storm movie premiere na se. Me se ene de ekoso bia Julie Juu TV ye de bebre mo. Ye nya me nua mema mienu bi wo me nchen. Na me mpese me mepre me ho abo obi edin. Me ma omo ankasa abo wo mu din a kire mo. Na afi ya to ankomo ne so. Papa bo din.
Bidini Efira Big Willie.
If you're Big Willie.
Yes.
Okay.
That's your friend, Shaba Kujo.
But your friend is Shaba Kujo. Where did they want Shaba Kujo? So they want cash. I was here. Now, a dear bear painting. I'm a watch, Mike and Naka. Former woman, uncle, former.
Okay, I think so. I mean, like you said, you know, any their custom. So I mean, yeah, babe boy, and I say babe support it. I mean, I'm premier no. Na IF and as I can share.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, Mousy.
Yena ya ba see ba be support the storm. Anything enam enanyumre. Aye.
Okay, a dear bear pan or expect to say Ubehu, and I say amount for expecting.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think so. You know, yes, but me, I know say it's gonna be nice. First of all, no to and come in have me home back.
Okay.
And you know, my expectation there is high.
High.
Yeah, 100%.
And there. Now swear.
Said the Shabako yo kind ye nyina ya wo ha se ba behwe the storm. Yenim say ebe ye wicked. And na stars on so krum.
That's right.
Enti ye see if we answer sanko baby foforo.
Oh, okay.
Enti ye nyina ye supporting nyina bi. Enti ne wa ha.
Yo. And yeah, ahwefo ni etiefo e de wase chia wadofo na fe yam.
Wow. And the HHO Bibia, more fee, and no more England, in HHO Bibia. God bless everybody. Thank you.
So,
Ye chia obi bia ohwe bia Ethiopia.
yeah, abusiafo. The storm. Make a tremor say. After the movie, no, there is a party. Na sister Fia ebeba. No wabe chinchim ne ho kakra e de achire. Ampa we manimu hwamo. Manimu hwamo. Sister Fia can be bitter man for no mu. Na bo wudi no mu say sister Fia ni na fe. Won komo kakra ne.
Okay, so na nyumre ye ba de enye bone. The storm premiere nti na me wa ha na me be perform me. I don't know, minim say madam for London pa. Nti me show bibi I mean yakopon show bibi na obaye. Ama ejuma ye ayere akoso kama. And I mean mommy so ejina ha. Number 1, feeling miss me feeling no dread. What I say?
So I don't blame you.
Mama, what do you better the later. You better the later.
Every person coupons on to. I don't blame you. Oh, Mwade.
Yeah.
I don't blame you. Oh, Mwade. And then my machine. Ɛnuanom ne adɔfo a mohwɛ Julie Juu Tv. Yegu so a the Storm movie premiere no. Ɛno a nti ne ɛwɔ ha. Red carpet. So a ne yegyina yi. Sabre yenye me nua ba fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ bi ɛwɔ me nkyɛn. Nti me nua ba yɛmmɔ nkɔmmɔ kakra. Wodin de sɛ na afei wakyerɛ de nti awɔ ha. The mic no nakasa.
Medin de Alexandria Chumbuafo, and as over to my friend Mrs. Owusu.
Okay.
I'm the executive producer for the Storm movie. And I'm just super excited to be here this evening.
Okay. Inti, we are executive producer. Idea pan na we expect to say because only Ubra and a movie about. So what I say? We are executive producer. Idea pan na we expect to say amount for expecting you.
She said movie way dear. Ghana for enya kwenya ahwe ne kakra. Na omo share ya no mo ani je yankasa. Omo say sini be nie we de ye hu bi da. And yet normal Ghana and Nigeria movies where if you see another who baby a echo we suspense ni womb or your point your crown not say omuni ejina so den say and wasn't kaya pon because omweni je ho ankasa enti no moma yen konkohwe na mo hu say adesua de wo mu bebre
enti ye we na next time you will baby swap. Have you picture about
me pacho you enti no after cinemas no ya the beko platform bebre so ya the beko Prime TV ya the beko Netflix ya the beko Amazon enti no we are going international. Thank you.
Yadanya miasi any adofo ahaya ne de mubesie yegusu a red carpet ye flexi ye many anom ne adofo mo hwe Julie Juu TV me say the Storm movie no the Storm ahaya red carpet enti sabre ye nya busuafo adofo ma papa bi sweet ladies wa ha say ye no mba be twetwe nkomo on ba be say hello to omadofo somati say ye be say wuti a wo hu say enya grobi ne sini no chale ampaye bedwa next time si di sini popa bi say base brabehwe bia unso betu ho anamon aba behwe bi menu aba ye fra o say
ye fra me shika
okay uba so behwe sini ni bi
pajai me base me behwe
say hello to adofo ne enko
hello madafo foni na we are here to watch the Storm and hopefully we'll feedback and let you know how it went.
Okay. Mommy, what's your friend?
Hello, your friend Eva. Hi. Yenina yaba ebi mu free far away. Hi. Yaba your friend Eva. Yenina yaba see your Bible support actors ni actresses ni na the Storm. Hi, yaba see your Bible movie no enti no eni age pass yaba ha say. Hi.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Odo, what's your friend say?
Your friend me Pat. We say hello to all my friends and family. Yeah, Baba Shemu, yeah, Baba Storm.
Okay. And a young quay, a Ghana hospital. Yes, said you're the home. Hello, sweetheart.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name's Carly, and I've come to support you and your team on this lovely film.
Oh, thank you very much. Say hello to your friends.
Hello, everybody. I'm grateful for being here tonight. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right.
Yes. Hello. Yeah, Miss your friend Miss Cynthia. You know, I basi ebe support the Storm movie. Okay. Yeah, waha enti nearby.
Okay. And then
yeah, will be a madofo nyina.
Okay. All right. Any other four? Mon say bye. Say goodbye to everyone. Bye. Okay. We are saying red carpet, the Storm movie. What's your name?
Nick. My name's Nick.
And I'm Linda.
Linda.
Yeah.
Okay, Linda. Can you speak Tree?
Yeah, Mr. Cheap.
Okay.
And Nick can speak Tree too.
Oh,
okay, cheap.
For you to speak Tree.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I was expecting to be who movie in me.
Me pese me hu movie be she me kunu kran. Ama na ni agi nti a odi mechi bae.
Okay, that stars no one episode who no.
Oh, Ajete, Amakia Bebese, Sama Mumu, like all of them.
Okay. All right. I'm going.
Majo.
Majo, yeah. What? Yeah. And then I was expecting to say, who be who movie in?
What are you expecting?
From movie. It's an action movie, and I love action movies. So I can't wait to see action in the movie.
You told me you speak Tree. That is why I'm asking you. It's too
This-
hard for you.
yeah.
Okay. Do you expect any one of the celebrities? Do you expect one of them?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the celebrities. My partner here, yeah, so she knows a lot, so we want to meet everyone and see. It's going to be very nice.
All right then. All right then. We will talk again. Okay. All right. Say hello, bye to your friends. Bye. All right. Oh, Miss Medase. Many anom ni adolfo mo show Julie Juu Tv. Me say wo show Julie Juu TV. But more than subscribe to your channel, no like and say oh yeah my comment. Me say wo yes sir, me day. E ma me more vim. Na mami mora na boost me immune system no ama me ma hoden dada aye program for e dia bro ye wo me nua me ma mienu wa ha sei sinini nti no mo baaye the storm singing no omo say omo pese me nua be ma wo say no pese surprise obi a enti saben me be bisado fodi na fe
Subscribing.
oh memo don't worry memo akasa papa your friend say
your friend is Stanley
Malachi.
Okay. And then I was expecting me to say in Nantin and mobile. Then I was expecting so be who.
I need you. I had a buy. Say I need you in your buy. Say your banner say being one of phone family or more has in say who say program near costing us. BBI for you. Your buy and say need you in your house.
Okay, Stanley.
Malachi.
Stanley. I never plan. I was expecting so be who was singing him and then.
Me pese say me ni be Japan ena. Me say bia mesre because me name say actors no. Omo are very funny actors. Fitting me more frasi. Yeah, na me pesa actors pa inti energy yensri na yenhwe film no.
What's na Ghana da?
Pacho Martina Ghana da.
Brono be so na na oti.
Na me te Madina.
I just say when you Ghana for who pa.
Oh yes, me nuanom.
I just say we are Ghana ni o.
There be me near Ghana ni.
Ofie din dey say
me di kweku broni.
I don't know me person wo kan no. O de kweku broni.
We di kweku broni.
Yo kweku broni and then the expect bia so be hu wo sininim no. I hope say on sabe kan why. Abusuafo. Papa sinina ya chimi nua be ma I will red carpet so. Papa, ye makwa baba Julie Juu Tv.
When you Joseph.
Da, who did this say?
From some.
Brasamet. And then I expected there's so be who was singing.
Oh, it's a singing about out, you know. Then you know, okay, guy and Uncle and a producer, pheasant. Producer, no. Madam.
Okay.
And you know, about catching and say, the beside of course, it's you and I am that. But I did any chairman who I don't know, with your son, young baby. But, president, you know. Madam.
Okay.
Until I'm present, pressure how I acting if you are something.
Oh, okay. And then the empire beja.
And then anytime I want.
Okay. 80. And then now also back at be I went to me and my son next time ye be bisa. I was on also bad one.
In fact, I'm coming back and I'm coming in past 6 never. But Amunina no Amunina good assurance.
Okay.
But the chain on my mobile and say, oh, Juma. But me should be. Let me who send your call now. And that's a current boom and summer. And then next time, and then if it's almost bit my day, almost bit me because any general PO Hannah. And I bet you see, I'm by almost 24. Almost Guinness, almost watch you, almost on the love for baby, you have to ask and a popcorn some title.
Okay.
And to the sending in into November, next time, the people will try to come in. What I say, at least, you know, one channel, quite a work red cup soon. Oh, baby, this way. What I said. And manage you have you are.
Hey, for say, baby, okay, and your dear, she our dog for you.
Okay, Michia, my dog, go from Ghana and here. Michia will be Yabase, Yabajini. And the next time I'm also eating up a journey.
You, any other was that's it. Bye bye. Yeah, minion no near for. Yeah, that's why I walk. The Storm movie premiere na say sabre me nua ba ma fe bi jina me nchen ye mbisa ne din na fe ono so de o ma ye no on kan kire papa ye ma akwa baba Julie Juu TV show
Oh, Major also Nana Hima. I want to
Now didn't say.
the family abroad ma with Tiga.
Okay, me the mic name ma na fe ni awo no catch amanfo ti o.
Hey, your family abroad ma with Tiga. If you promulgate media, yeah, stars a UK based artist. Your OP Waha, Shatawaifa, Abronoma, Emmanuel Yascott, Plenty, etc.
Okay. Into that just a group.
A group, yeah.
Okay, okay. And then I'm a person or group for nso bi beba na me ne o ma hwetwe nkomo. Enti o de ka hello chia wadofo na fe group for nso mra na.
Okay, let me say Ghana for more Ghana na me chia obia. Ena UK artist so me sa chia obia. Said ye wa ye beboa ama movie na akono. Said ye munim amamre na yensa amamre no. Ye frame abro no ma wuti ge nti mu check social media baby a obo abro no ma wuti ga obi hu me ye hip life rapper.
Yo, onyom no mame acapella kakra.
Or say your friend me say Abronoma, what is my name? Otiga. Abronoma, Abronoma, UK, Minkwana, Doctor Simmons, so a few at a bank. See the Adamas, Biana, dear to me, you be too much in 10 time, whom I ask medical, about what is Sibon Greece, about my Migrant International, Madabra Richard Bessimian Koda, near some of the Prad in Nam Semetinka say, a Asla, da main time for Mefiana Yabosumacotre, and Nano, Kasua, many miss with this I know to, a one of my barman, when I'm sad, the roof is Semiano, me see for me, Plumatabam, no more tell me, every mamma tomato from Nenko Fujane, rap on my Thomas was swami, my packing can tell my bottle is more, many busia for intimate, the Akasuba and Nabo, so me can't put Kusiami and the betche, Robabe Kami the Mani, Kabi the Pet and Kusiami, and Dente Machika Sam, the Befram Autonoma Piegunani, Adiachina Bibi and Nani, Yami, rapping about me, somebody see from Sibri, Makikan Secretaries, since in the more no money dorsum, at a theatre room.
Yeah, that's say at a theatre room. But we be on crop for them and your monk. Why are dear? You are the phone na, ya mante na, and that's why you mudi come papa. But we didn't say the phone na fe, one so to our young commoners.
Yo, OP6. Na ye preno. Enti obiasu na me preno. Enti obiasu bribi wa na. Ewa wa na. Bribi tri wa na. Etri wa na. Bribi wa we, ne tri we, ne wa we. Bribi wa na. BP. Yeah, OP6. Sanita and Numre Yabaham, Yamakasa, and Yatentin Bebreno. The Storm movie, no, ain't na UK all artists I wahase no. Yeah, Bahasi about support so this movie, The Storm. And you mean so you better perform more. I just say, I have paya a bidra. And to more Mushafia, Omunya, my Monkam, Hona Momra. Now moving your barber says, you really OP, me performing, Abron Mabe, Scott and Shatter. I have saying to be a ofia my be a pepper so bant and why na no be who live on stage. Madam Asibebre.
Oh, yada se papa, yada se. And yeah, not the audio mera. Papa. Bowdin child for now also the old one from our
say your friend me Scott, the winner of the Ghana Music Award Europe, new artist of the year 2024. Miana Meje. Me de nyumbi by a friend Haywire. Eko say, baby, you did drive me crazy. The first time I met you, girl, you got me wondering. Your smile so jokes survived, they made me go haywire. Oh girl, I will never leave you for anyone. Listen, I want Gina. I want Gina, make she come dance for me now. Hey, your smile so jokes survived, they made me go haywire. Alhamdulillah. Yes, I.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it, papa. Yeah, that's it. Nyami show. And the empire bedra. Ewa ha. Enti di odi hon so mra na fe yen to aso. Okay, don't worry, my dear. Just come closer. What? Tell us your name. Okay. Then after that, what you have, give it to them.
Okay, I go by the name Adextina Ho. My real name is Emmanuel. I'm an Afrobeat from Nigeria. I'm based in UK. And just a little of what I got is I released a song like a week ago. Its title is Perfect Me. Let me just give you a tips of it. And it go like this, like, I'm on gay, I want you. I don't care what people say about you. You know, say I need you. Anything where you want, I go give you. He they make me mine like a wheezy, I'm a moti, yeah. I get many para for my body, I get plenty mara. So many times I've been thinking of you every day of my life, baby, come close. I don't want to lose you every day of my life, baby, you know. Yeah, that is it. And it's on Spotify on all music platforms. Thank you.
You are welcome, my dear. Ebusuafo yɛda so a ɛwɔ the Storm movie premiere na se. Me nua bɛma fɛfɛɛfɛ. Ɔpɛ sɛ ɔka hello kyerɛ, ɔpɛ sɛ ɔka biribi kyerɛ papa. But wodi kyerɛ adɔfoɔ no afei deɛ wowɔ no fama wɔ.
Okay, your friend in team. Your friend in team. Me wa hanum say ye ba abe stormy show no ankasa. Ye ba abe boomy place no. Na nyom na ye ba na your friend freedom. On say this year na ankasa no Ghana no. You hear freedom because our mind baby ekono. MY. Nti watch out for Intim Freedom Live.
Hello, guys. We are still here with the Storm movie premiere. I'm with this beautiful lady. I would just want her to mention her name and just tell us something small. All right, honey. Just come closer to me. Okay. Tell people your name.
Hi, my name's Areti. I'm an artist, music artist, and I'm also here with Promulgate Media Africa. I'm here to watch the movie, The Storm. I'm really excited. Actually, I love watching African movies, and I met all the actors as well. It was a very good evening. And yeah. I'm Greek, by the way, and I'm a UK-based artist myself.
Okay, so what do you expect to see tonight?
A lot of action.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, and just can't lie. It was the food is lovely as well. So I have to say, I love Ghanaian food.
Oh, you love Ghanaian food? Then tell Ghanaians that you love Ghanaian food. Say hi, Ghana. I love you.
Hello, Ghana. I love your food. I love okra. I love a light soup. I love me some banku, some yam. And yeah, it's lovely, honestly.
Okay. And fufu. You love fufu?
Fufu is okay, yeah. I like it.
Okay. So okay, say greetings. Just your friends, your friends.
Greetings to everybody. Everybody that's watching from Ghana, from Greece, from UK. Yeah, amazing movie. You should watch it. The Storm.
Thank you very much, darling. Yeah, Busia. Yeah, that's why I was The Storm movie premiere. And I said, the way you have my back over high, be sunny dinner fed your woman on Swaka. Papa.
Okay, so they call me Young Energy 360. I'm here for the Storm movie premiere, and I'm an artist that I'm gonna be performing tonight as well. I do Afrobeat, and I can't wait to performing for people to know the vibes. You get me?
Can you sing a little bit of your song?
Yeah. Okay. I see this girl for the party, body tempt them to touch, yeah. Tempt them to touch, yeah. So me approaching all the mommy, I got no time to waste, yeah. No time to waste. She got a body like Steph London. This calm body man no go fit to ignore. Come see for the party they watch you be a John. But if I'm approaching all the mommy, man, I'm gone. Ooh, I be that the Young Energy 360. I'm gonna be doing more. You feel me?
Okay, yeah, that's it.
So come on, forgive me. When you go wrong, baby, tell me when you go wrong. Tell me when you go wrong. Tell me when you go wrong. Oh, baby, tell me when you go wrong. My baby, tell me when you go wrong. Listen, are you ready for the rudder? Never disrespect you, girl. They want to show you good sweet loving. I will never ever beat you up, girl. So come on, forgive me. So come on, forgive me. Tell me when me I go wrong. Tell me when me I go wrong. Baby, tell me when me I go wrong. Tell me when me I go wrong. Baby, tell me when me I go wrong. Yeah, man, them I go by the name of Scott. Thank you so much for having me tonight.
Do I walk through the valley of the shadow of death? I fear no evil. God, stand for the life. For you are with me, oh Lord. God and protect me all my days of this life. In Him. Is there a better place I'm searching? Many times I cried out, fighting for my life from the fowler. If I fight so hard, I can't have it. If I'm hard, I can't see I'll stay strong. Standing on my feet, I will move on. If I give up, I will die young. And for how long that I will run for. In my heart, I will let go. All the pain, all the girls in the check. I love you and I go, I'll pray for you. I forgive and I know it will set me free. Yeah, it's my faith, I'm free man. I'm still everything that is great for her. And it smiles on the clouds when it's driving me. When you're fighting free. Shout freedom, 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 freedom. Everybody shout freedom, shout freedom. I can see far, I'm a winner. If I look back, I'm a loser. Let me tell you, I'm a back, I'm an angel. Hard as the rock, I'm a soldier. I believe in me. If you know way, I'll bring it back to my freedom. Try to see the sky, I smile and me. Oh, my mama, SMC and the one who said you so great. Well done, come share your story. We are sorry. Come share your story. Is that you see? Fake love is that you see? Bad mind is that you see? Oh, shout freedom, 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 Sugar,